Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox. So first of all you have to go to in roblox.com, enter. It will take you to home page of the Roblox. Now once you're here, now you have to click on this create tab. If you are on mobile you have to enable the desktop version. Now once you are in this dashboard, or we can say the creator dashboard, now you have to click on the by default, the default experience that comes after creating account. So just click on it. Now you just need to click on this associated items, click on it. And if you don't see in mobile, you have to tap on menu to open this list. And now you have to click on this passes. So the game pass will be here. Now you just need to click on this create pass to create your game pass. Now uploading image is now optional, so you can keep this, you can leave it. If you want to change, then you have to click on this change button, and the format must be it's jpg, png and bmp. Now in the name you have to enter the name of the game pass, like I'm gonna name it as f1. And also you can enter the description if you want, but it is not mandatory right now, so you can leave it. So now you just need to click on this create pass button. So creating a pass is not enough. Now you have to configure it. So just click on it to configure, and now click on this sale option. So in the list and in the menu, now you have to click on this item for sale, enable it by clicking on this toggle button. Now you have to enter the cost of the game pass. So I'm gonna name it enter as 200. So we know that creator gets 70% out of the price, so you will get 140 out of 200 if someone purchase your game pass. So once you purchased, now once you set up, now you have to click on this save changes button, and now you just need to add your game pass in the please donate, and that's how you can do it. Just refresh it. So it takes a few minutes to update this list, and after you add your after adding your game pass in the please donate, this off sale will be enabled. So right now we have already enabled it here. Didn't enable. Let me enable it. Let me and click on save changes. Yeah, we can see that it takes a little time to update, so it may take longer, so you just have to wait for it. As you can see, I have created game passes here. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.